Highly blissfulness, everyone. It's your girl Next, and you know I normally start my video right into the middle of things, and then I remember you guys. That is not a good look, is it? Right. So on here, I've got some herbs. I decided that I'm going to do a little herb picking today, so I'm harvesting some herbs. And what I'm actually going to be doing is I'm doing my hair routine day today. So I wanted to use these herbs as a nice rinse to help to promote healthy scalp, to promote healthy hair follicles and hair shaft, and just to lock all the moisture and the goodness in your hair. So I'm just doing a herbal rinse. But before I do that, I've picked some herbs on here, and I'm gonna let them quail a little bit. So what I've got on here, I've got some peppermint over here on this side, which is Swiss peppermint. I've got some oregano in here. I don't know if you can see those leaves there, these ones. And I've got some rosemary on here as well. So I've got peppermint, oregano, and rosemary, and I'm just gonna put them out in the sun to let them dry off a little bit, just to quail a little bit until I'm ready to use them. These are herbs, so I'm going to have to boil these to get all the benefits out. They're not like flowers, sorry, it's where you can just steep it. These are like proper herbs, so I'm gonna have to boil to get the medicinal properties from the rosemary and the oregano and also the mint. When a lot of heat is added to this, then all the goodness can come up. Just something, yeah, I just seen a little worm. And I thought my eyes were giving me problem. Obviously not. See there? Wiggling. Wiggling. Little worm there. Put in this. Right. Okay, doke. So that's what I'm doing today. Making a hair rinse for my hair. Got high porosity, so I'm gonna use a combination of oils as well. This is just to help my hair to to grow. So regeneration of my hair growth. I'm using herbs. As you know, I took my locks out, and I'm just going through and trying to bring my hair follicles back to life. It's been in lock formation for around 21 years. So for me to get used to my hair again, I need to add some beneficial products, and that's why I'm adding my herbal wash. And then I'm going to use my products that I've made for high porosity hair. All right. So now I'm just adding the herbs to my distilled water, and I'm going to make sure that I boil these herbs. I want to get the medicinal properties from the herbs that I'm using today. So in order for me to do that, I need to add heat so I can extract the benefits and the properties from the plants. Herbal plants, if you use the stems and the roots, you'll have to boil them really hard. So I'm just going to leave this to boil for a few minutes, probably around 12 to 15 minutes. Then I'm going to leave it, cover it overnight. And as I said, it's going to infuse more. And then tomorrow I can do my treatment. Okay. So this is how we're looking after 12 minutes. We've infused our beautiful herbs into our distilled water. And now we've got a decoction. This is overnight and it's steeped more, so you can see the water became much darker. This is exactly what I was looking for, rich in color. So I know this is going to do exactly what I need it to do. It's going to be so nutritious for my hair follicles and act as a fertilizer for my scalp. So if you want to add preservative, you can add preservative at this point, but I won't because I want to have it natural. So I'm just going to add some MSM powder because this is going to help to boost my hair growth. And because I'm using a multiple amount of ingredients, everything is going to lock in together and create one holistical treatment for my hair. So in this little, shot glass, we've got some extracts, and this is going to help to boost the product to add more nutrients and more benefits to our hair. All right, So in here we've got horsetail and nettle extract and also clove extract. And I'm going to add it to my liquid. I'm going to mix it around. And then we're going to bottle it up. Okay. And this, I'm going to use this rinse after I've done my entire wash routine. So I've shampooed and I've conditioned, and I'm going to, get ready to dry. I'll use this in order to, leave it on my hair as a treatment. So it's going to be like a leave-in treatment, okay? And this is going to help boost hair growth, scalp health, hair health. It's just going to be an overall nutrition for the hair. I'm feeding. It's like a hair fertilizer, okay? So I went ahead and I bottled up my little, hair rings. And this is left. I've got at least 250 grams probably left, or 240 grams left. I'm going to turn this into a conditioner. I already have my nettle and horsetail shampoo. So I'm going to turn this into a conditioner that it can help with my hair routine today, all right? I don't know if you want to see it, but I'm going to show you how I do that. Now, with this, which is the remaining, of my infused water, I'm going to actually dry it out a bit, and then I'm going to use this into an oil. I'm going to add my oils here to infuse a bit more. Then I'm going to actually use the oil that I've made from these into another conditioner, all right? So this is the conditioner to come. So I won't show you this now, but I'm just showing you. I'm not going to waste it. I'm actually going to preserve it more by turning it into oil. So this is the oil. Look how green this oil is. The oil that I used before was not green at all. And now it's so green. So I know I've extracted some of the goodness from this oil. And as I stated, this is going to be my second conditioner. So this is going to be the conditioner for, this particular product. The herbs that I use. So this oil is coming from the mint, the oregano, and the rosemary that I picked in the garden. And then I added some more stuff to it to boost it. So I'm just going to use these oils for my next conditioner. This is how rich and dark the oil is looking. So rich, so green. It's very, very green. See that? I can't wait to use this and see how this feels in my hair.